almost right after we reported spy photos taken of the upcoming new BMW X5, with its facelift bringing its looks closer to the X7. That flagship SUV has also been caught winter testing near the Arctic Circle, covered in protective vinyl. The X7 is known to feature enormous kidney-shaped grills, but on this test vehicle the front brightwork appears to have some padding between the kidneys and the hood shut line, perhaps to make them look a little smaller after several critics remarked, "Oh, what big teeth you have." Only the middle blades of the grills are visible here. The camo on the 3-row SUV has curlicues to disguise any notable surfacing details, but the door sheet metal still hints at the hockey stick-shaped creases seen on the concept. It has been reported that the X7 will be based on a stretched X5 platform BMW calls Flor, for cluster architecture. The X7 appears to be close to its final form, and it's likely to make production as a 2019 model. Powertrain options are still speculated. Other than that, a hybrid version will be part of the portfolio, as BMW is planning to electrify all of its model lines.